to Moto Mojo. Tell you what, that was a major upgrade. Sounds fantastic, pulls like a freight train, buttery smooth throttle response. All thanks to this Aero link pipe, Aero in cam, and a 2-wheel Dynoworks flashed ECU. Today, I'm going to show you how to do all of this and more next. Alright, the battery's disconnected. We go in and time to take the ECU out. Pretty simple. It's 1, 2. This guy simply pulls out and slides forward and then pops right off. Like that. Exposing the ECU. This guy here pulls right out. Slide this guy back. There's a pin up here to get past that. It'll just come right out. On the back, there's a pin you push down right here, and it pops right out. The tab you push down here, lever slides forward, and there's our ECU. Got this in the mail. 2-wheel Dynoworks hooked me up. Time to get the ECU back together. It's flashed to fit the pipe that I just put on, the Aero exhaust. Did a lot of little tweaks to it and remapped, ready to go. Pull that out so we have good access to it. Plug the bottom in first. Lock that in place. Second one in. Locked. Locked. There she is. This slides up underneath. Screw hole there. Pin there, little slot there, little tab up top, everything slides into place. Screw that bad boy back in. Alright, time to get the new can off. I'll be removing the catalytic converter here. A lot of goodies to take off, and then we'll get started on the valve, the wiring that comes up here into the seat to the servo. The catalytic converter is going to come off. You got to make way for that shiny new Aero mid-pipe. Alright, start to uncover this. Alright, get this cover off. Here's the second cable. 2 cables off. Now the valve's free, and I can start taking the bolts off of the exhaust now. Time to trace the air sensors up. I'm going to loosen that up and see if I can't take it off. Get some free play in that. Start unscrewing it a little. There she is. One done. Alright, same deal on this side. Let's get this thing off. And what we're going to do here is we're going to unclip all of this. One cable. Two cables. Alright, so here is what I've removed. Catalytic converter. She is a beast, like a lot of weight there. Granted, it was down low, but still a lot of weight. Replacing it with that right there. Very light, almost nothing to it. Since we're removing the O2 sensors and not reinstalling them here and here, I got a couple of plugs. These are Vance and Hines. Size is 12 millimeter. Check them, they fit. Get those things out of there, and a little copper ring, and let me get those on. All right, time for it to hit the bike. Let's get it on here. There we go. Time to clean off all the fingerprints. Don't need any fingerprints burning into this bad boy. Well, I think she's done. Let's hear what this beast sounds like.